Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the wok is clean and fully dry. This prevents sticking and uneven seasoning. Once done, set the wok on medium-high, then test heat with a few drops of water. You want beads, not a boil. Next, pour a small amount of high smoke point oil, about 1 teaspoon, and tilt to coat the surface. Make sure to heat until the oil shimmers. This both opens pores and signals readiness, then quickly wipe excess to leave a thin layer. You now move into active cooking. Keep the wok at medium-high so contact browning occurs without burning. Once the oil smokes briefly and stabilizes, add aromatics like garlic or ginger to flavor the oil. This also seasons the surface. Make sure to work in small batches so the wok temperature recovers quickly between additions. Use a metal spatula and a quick wrist toss to lift and flip food. This prevents scraping off seasoning, while promoting. You finish by deglazing the wok with a splash of stock or water to collect brown bits, then remove from heat and let it cool briefly before cleaning. Make sure to wipe it dry immediately. Leave a thin coat of oil to protect the seasoning. If you hit sticking, reheat the wok and add oil to release food, rather than scrubbing. And if rust appears, scrub to bare metal, dry, then re-season in the oven at 400 degrees for an hour to rebuild the layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.